Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 12th. We are going to get started with our lesson today. Have your pencil, paper ready, and here we go for the warm-up. All right, your first problem is to solve this in standard algorithm. So it's already set up for you, 586 minus 397. You have right about a minute and a half to solve this problem. 586 minus 397. All right, if I'm going to solve this problem, 586 minus 397, I'm going to start with my ones place, 6 minus 7, and I cannot take that away, so I go over to my tens place. And they can give me 1 10, which makes this 7 tens. And if they give 1 10 to my 6, I now have 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 7 minus 9, I cannot do that. So 7 tens minus 9 tens, I can't do it. So I go over to my hundreds place and they can give me 100. So this now becomes 400s and they give the 100 over here to my tens, and 100 is this, and 7 tens makes 17 tens. So 17 minus 9 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. That makes your answer 189. All right, looking at the next problem. For Miss McSherry's birthday, we needed to rent a helium tank to blow up balloons. The tank cost a one-time fee of $20 and then $4 per balloon we blew up. If we blew up 6 balloons, how much did it cost altogether for blowing up balloons? For Miss McSherry's birthday, we needed to rent a helium tank to blow up balloons. The tank cost a one-time fee of $20 and then $4 per balloon that we blew up. If we blew up 6 balloons, how much did it cost altogether for blowing up balloons? I'm going to give you just a little bit to try and solve this problem. All right, if we go to solve this problem that said Miss McSherry's birthday, for Miss McSherry's birthday, we needed to rent a helium tank to blow up balloons. The tank, so here's my tank, just thinking about that. I don't really even know how to draw a tank, but here's a tank. All right, and I'm just gonna go with a little to blow up the balloons. Tank costs a one-time fee of $20. One-time fee, meaning I'm only being charged once to get the tank. So it cost me one-time fee of $20, and then $4 per balloon we blew up. So if we blew up 6 balloons, how much did it cost to blow up all the balloons? Six balloons. All right, so it cost $4 per balloon. All right, $4 per balloon. How much did it cost to blow all together for blowing up balloons? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons at $4 each. 6 times 4 is 4. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. All right, but it didn't just cost $24 because don't forget we had to pay the one-time fee of $20 to rent the helium tank. So 24 plus 20 equals $44. So the answer to this problem is $44. All right, so today's learning objective is that you are going to be able to subtract multi-digit numbers within 100,000 using the standard algorithm. All right, so I want you to think about how you would subtract 45,862 from 87,239. If you were to use expanded form, think about how that would look. All right, you might want to even go ahead and take a moment to try doing that on your paper. Subtracting 45,862 from 87,239. Go ahead and try that out. And if I'm doing that, again, 87,000. So that's 80,000, 7,239 is my total number. And from that, I am subtracting 40,000, 5,862. Right? So if I were going to go ahead and solve this, because that's what we're supposed to do first, is solve this in expanded form. All right, I'm going to do 9 subtract 2. And 9 minus 2 is 7. Oops. I'm going to do 30 subtract 60. If I have 30, I can't take 60 from it. I don't have enough, so I go next door. And it's my hundreds place, so it can give me 100, which makes this 200, 100. And it makes my 30, if it gives 30, 100, it becomes 130. So 130 minus 60 is 70. 100 minus 800, I can't do that. So I have to go next door. And this is my 1,000ths place. So it can give me 1,000. So this becomes, 6,000. And this becomes, if I give 1,000 over here, this becomes 1,100. 1,100 minus 800 is 300. 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100. Counted by 100s, I have 300s. 6,000 minus 5,000 is 1,000. 80,000 minus 40,000 is 40,000. So now I'm left with 40,000, 1,377. So 41,000, comma, 377 is the answer. All right. Now, this was a lot of numbers and a lot of work, and if you had any issues with the place value, that might have been super tough for you. So I want to compare what we just did to how we could do it using the standard algorithm. All right, so we're looking at the same numbers, and I kind of wish I had more room, but we're going to make this work. We're going to change pins. All right, so if I have 87,239, and I'm going to subtract 45,862. 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 tens minus 6 tens, I can't do. If I only have 3 tens, I can't take 6 tens away, so I come over to my hundreds place. And they have something they can help me out, and they give me 100, which leaves us with 100 left. If I give a 100 over here to my 3 tens, I now have 13 tens. 13 minus 6 is 7. 1 minus 8, I still can't do it. So I go 100 minus 800, I can't do it. So I go over to my 1,000s place. And if I give 1,000, this becomes 6. And this becomes 1,100 or 1,100s. 11 minus 8 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. Once again, I'm getting 41,377, which is what I got over here. It just simplifies what we're doing so you don't have to do all of these numbers. All right, now we're going to try solving this problem using expanded form. All right, so 743,000. So 700,000, 40,000, 3,000, 847 minus 59,634. That 50,000 goes in the tens place. 50,000, 9,634. 7 minus 4 is 3. 40 minus 30 is 10. 800 minus 600 is 200. 3,000 minus 9,000. If I have 3,000, I can't take 9,000 away from it. So I come over next door and they can help me out. And because they're in the 10,000s place, they can give me 10,000, which makes this 30,000. They give 10,000 over here, so 10,000 plus 3,000 makes this 13,000. 13,000 minus 9,000 is 4,000. 30,000 minus 50,000, I can't do that, so I go next door. And because this is in the 100,000 spot, it can only give me one 100,000. So this becomes 600,000. And it gives 100,000 to 100,000 to 30,000, and that makes it 130,000. All right, and so 130,000 minus 50,000 is 80,000. All right, and then 600,000 minus nothing is 600,000. Oops, 600,000. All right, so I got 684,000. These are my thousands before the comma. Now here's my comma. 200, 110, 3 ones, so 213. Let's try doing the same problem with the standard algorithm. All right, so 743,847 minus 50, again, stays in the 10,000s place, 59,634, my bad, 634. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 9. I can't do that. So I go next door to my 10,000s place, and they give me one 10,000, which makes this 3 10,000s, 30,000. All right. If they gave me one 10,000 and I already had 3 1,000s, I now have 13,000 there, which is what we got up there. 13 minus 9 is 4. 3 minus 5, I can't do it, so I come over to my hundreds, thousands place, and they have something to help me out. They give me 100,000, so this becomes 600,000, and they gave me 100,000, so now I have 100,000 plus the 30,000 I had, so that's 130,000 really right there, 13. All right, 130,000, 13, see how that corresponds. 13 minus 5 is 8. 6 minus nothing is 6. 684,213. All right, and now we're just going to practice some bigger numbers with the standard algorithm. We don't have to write out as much. We just want to keep practicing. So we're going to do 832,000. I'm writing mine down on my paper. 411 minus 346,902. You can just watch me do this one, and then I'll let you guys try the next one. 1 minus 2. I can't do it, so I go next door. This gives me 110, so 110 added to 1 is 11 tens. 11 minus, 11 ones. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 9, that's 400s minus 900s. I can't do it. So I go next door to my thousands place, and it gives me 1,000, which leaves it with 1,000. 1,000, and I still have my 400s left. So that's 14 hundreds. 14 minus 9 is 5. 1 minus 6, I can't do 1,000 minus 6,000, so I come next door to my 10,000s, and they give me one of the 10,000s, and I give it to the 1,000 I already have left. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 2 minus 4, I can't do it, so I go next door to my 100,000s. They give me one of my 100,000s, so this becomes 700,000. They give that 100,000 over here, so now this is 12 minus 4, which is 8. 7 minus 3, which is 4. So now in all, I have 485,509 is my answer to this problem. Guys, I want you to try this problem out on your own. 582,299 minus 49,471. I want you to try it in standard algorithm right now on your own. And again, if you want to do the expanded form, what we've been doing, that's fine. Do it side by side, but then go back and do the standard algorithm, the new stuff, the 4th grade stuff. All right, guys, if you are not done, that is completely okay. I don't expect you to be done. This is new. Go ahead and hit pause if you want to continue and then see if you go along and get it right with us. If not, go ahead and just follow along with us and see what happens and how you were doing in the beginning. All right, your practice will be coming up next. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus 4. I can't do it. So I go next door to my 1,000s place, sorry, and they give me 1,000, which leaves me with 1,000. I come over and give that 1,000 to my 200s. So now I have 1,200, all right, or 1,200s. 12 minus 4 is 8. 1 minus 9. I can't take 9 away from 1, so I go next door to my 10,000s, and they give me one of the 10,000s to give to my 1,000. So now I really have 11,000. All right, 11,000 minus 9,000 is 2,000. 7 minus 4, or 70,000 minus 40,000 is 30,000. 500,000 minus nothing is 500,000. 532,828. All right, and your fun fact of the day right before you go off to your practice, guys, is that this is National Children's Book Week. All right, I want you to think about your favorite book that you've ever read being in your childhood years right now. That should be super easy. I had to think really hard back, but my favorite childhood book probably would be Miss Nelson is Missing. All right, so that is your fun fact of the day. Make sure that you know that as you go into your practice.